concern over human rights has become almost a constant theme in international sport in recent years, few hosts of major events have provoked quite as much controversy as Beijing. The venue for the 2022 Winter Olympics has been hit by an outbreak of diplomatic boycotts from countries including the US, Australia, and Britain because of widespread allegations of Chinese atrocities against the Uyghur community. Human rights groups and the Western government have accused China of genocide in occupied East Turkestan. China denies this, saying its network of detention camps there is for so-called re-education of the Uyghurs and other Muslims. Relations are also strained over a crackdown on political freedoms and pro-democracy protesters in Hong Kong, and more recently concerns over tennis player Peng Shuai, who disappeared from public view after she accused a top Chinese government official of sexual assault. The risk with sending politicians to Beijing to attend the Games is that inevitably it would be viewed as offering silent approval of the government of dictator Xi Jinping, for whom the event is a matter of significant prestige. While China accused the US of using the Games for political manipulation and vowed resolute countermeasures, it's unlikely to have been too discouraged or indeed surprised, especially given the likes of Italy and France have declined to join the boycott, with President Macron describing it as symbolic and significant. While the coalition of Tibetan, Uyghur, Southern Mongolian, Hong Kong, and Taiwanese rights groups that make up the No Beijing 2022 campaign welcome the diplomatic boycotts, many campaigners feel they do not go far enough, and that athletes themselves, corporate sponsors, and major broadcasters also need to act if pressure really is to be brought to bear on China. Some ask if a full boycott is not appropriate now in a country that stands accused of genocide, when will it ever be? Refusing to participate in the Olympics would perhaps do more to raise awareness of the violations that China stands accused of, and taking part risks appearing conflict. Salih Khudayar, Prime Minister of East Turkestan in exile, said that while the diplomatic boycott of the Beijing 2022 Genocide Games is a positive step, it's not enough to pressure China to end its ongoing campaign of colonization and genocide in occupied East Turkestan. There has to be meaningful action. He listed the actions must be taken as follows. UNSC must prioritize the issue, boycott all goods made in China, limit or cut diplomatic and economic ties with China, support East Turkestan's case against Chinese officials at International Crime Court.